Hi, Tim from Hang This Up. I want to demonstrate for you the simple installation of our shelf bracket system. So what I've done is marked on the studs where we want the top of the bracket to be. So when I say that, I mean this portion of the bracket is placed in line with that line there. So I've marked out this set of studs, and then 32 inches away I've marked the next set of studs. So I'm going to run these in. What we do is we put the screws in by hand first. We only have two. A lot of times people with shelf brackets will put in 4 drivers. So we'll watch the way this goes. It's really a simple install. I'm just using a simple impact driver with a number 2 square drive bit. One of the unique features of the Hang This Up system is that we've created a mounting plate that is the exact width of the stud, and then when you push that bracket against the sheathing, it self-levels the bracket. So that's the item that we're really patent pending on, is the mounting plate and then the self-leveling feature. Now moving over to the second set. You can actually see this literally takes just a few minutes to set 4 brackets up. I don't really know of another system on the market that is this easy to install and this strong and durable. Okay, so that sets up the 4 shelf brackets. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the shelves. I just picked these boards up at a local home center, so you can see that it works really nicely. Kind of can even up the end and make it look attractive. So that gives you a really nice shelving system. Just try to line them up down the side. And then what I do is I run a screw into the back of each shelf at a 45-degree angle, just usually using 1 screw in order to get the shelf to stay in place. So let me show you how that works. Just take the screw, run it into the shelf like that, and then that secures the shelf in place. Okay, so that's pretty much how it happens. You can see in about 3.5 minutes, I was able to fully install that shelving system with 4 shelves.